In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Clipchamp buffering problems. If your timeline keeps stuttering or previews take forever to load, don't worry. Because Clipchamp runs inside your web browser, a few small tweaks can make a big difference. Follow along and we'll get your editing smooth again. Start by checking your internet speed and stability. Clipchamp streams and processes media through the browser, so a weak connection often shows up as buffering. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network rather than mobile data. Close anything else using bandwidth, like cloud backups or streaming, and give your router a quick restart to clear up congestion. Next, lower the playback quality inside your project. Open your project, find the preview quality or playback settings, and set it to low or medium. This only changes what you see while editing and does not affect your final export. It's one of the fastest ways to make the timeline feel responsive. Then reduce load on your computer by closing heavy tabs and apps. Multiple video sites, online games, or dozens of browser tabs can eat memory and CPU. Shut down what you don't need, and if things still feel sluggish, restart your browser to give it a fresh start. Choose a browser that Clipchamp works best with. Use a current version of Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and avoid outdated browsers that lack the performance features Clipchamp relies on. Clear your browser cache to fix odd loading or buffering glitches. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data, and select Cached Images and Files. This forces the browser to fetch clean, up-to-date assets. While editing, lighten the workload by reducing video quality. High-resolution clips can cause lag, so use 720p versions during the edit, and compress especially large files before importing. If you still notice choppy playback, try turning off hardware acceleration in Chrome. Go to Settings, Open System, and toggle Use Hardware Acceleration off. Some GPU setups don't play nicely with certain web editors, and this switch can stabilize performance. For long projects, split your video into smaller sections. Edit in parts, export those segments, and then combine them in a final timeline. Shorter timelines are much easier for your browser to handle. Also, keep your browser and operating system fully updated to benefit from the latest performance improvements and fixes. And finally, if Clipchamp suddenly starts misbehaving, refresh the page and reopen your project. Temporary glitches are common and a quick restart often clears them. Follow these steps and your Clipchamp